It is given that a research satellite of mass 200 kg circles the Earth in an orbit of average radius 3r by 2, where r is the radius of Earth. Assuming the gravitational pull on a mass 1 kg on Earth's surface to be 10 Newton, the pull on that satellite will be. So we need to find out the value of acceleration due to gravity at a location where the satellite is there. So in question it is given that a research satellite of mass 200 kg circle in the Earth in an orbit of average radius 3r. So it is moving in a circular path of radius that is given as nothing but 3r. So we can just take the radius of the circular path is equal to 3r. So just consider that this distance is equal to nothing but 3r divided by 2. So research satellite of mass 200 kg. So the mass is given as nothing but 200 kg. Circles the Earth in an orbit of average radius 3r divided by 2, where r is the radius of Earth. And Rm is to find out what about the value of the pull on the satellite will be. So pull on satellite by the Earth is nothing but its weight, which we can take it as mass into acceleration due to gravity. So we need to find out what about the value of acceleration due to gravity at a distance 3r by 2. So we can use that equation. Acceleration due to gravity is equal to gm divided by the distance square. So you can write this is equal to g into m divided by distance from the center is 3r by 2. So we need to write 3r by 2 square. So this can be written as gm divided by 9r square by 4, or you can write this g is equal to 4gm divided by 9r square. And we know that this term gm by r square is representing acceleration due to gravity on the surface. So you can write acceleration due to gravity where the satellite is 4 by 9 times that of acceleration due to gravity on the surface. And in question it is given that the gravitational pull on a mass 1 kg, which is known as nothing but the value of acceleration due to gravity on the surface, which is given as nothing but 10 Newton or 10. So we can find out what about the value of force which is acting on that satellite, that is mass of that satellite into acceleration due to gravity on the place where the satellite is kept. So mass of satellite is given as nothing but 200, and acceleration due to gravity over there is 4 by 9 times the acceleration due to gravity on the surface, and acceleration due to gravity on the surface is nothing but force acting on unit mass, which is given as nothing but 10. So we can write this is equal to 200 into 4 into 10 divided by 9, which is equal to, get the answer as 888.8, or you can approximate it as 889 Newton.